Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is August 27, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at how to trade options and make money in this market. Look, when you trade options, you got to be paying attention to a couple of things. First one is open interest. You got to make sure it's a nice and high open interest. And next is option volume. Make sure there's a nice and healthy option volume. Then depending on what type of trader you are, if you're a premium seller, pay very close attention to IV rank. It's very important to pay attention to IV rank. Then we should also look at RSI, which is relative strength index. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, market came down pretty drastically on Friday because of the Fed. Fed is going to be aggressive in raising the interest rates. So my favorite plays are the stocks with nice and high open interest. Look, I've sorted this by open interest. All these stocks that you see here, they got nice and healthy open interest. That's when you make money. You don't make money trading some no-name stock. Instead, go after the stocks with nice and high open interest. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, top of the list, we got Tesla here. Tesla is one of my favorite stock. I love Tesla very much, mainly because look here, look at Tesla, look at the ATR or average true range is $12. In a given day, Tesla can swing till $12 high or low. That tells you this is very volatile stock. You can make a lot of money just trading Tesla. I know so many folks who just trade Tesla and nothing else and make a nice 8-figure income on a yearly basis. So that's why Tesla is one of my favorite play here. Look, we got Tesla here, and look at Tesla here from a call option perspective. There is a nice and healthy call volume here, 921,000 call contracts traded. And as you look through here, it's pretty healthy from a stock here. And as we look at a few more things here, look at the volume here, look at the short interest. From a short interest perspective, look, folks are shorting Tesla here. It's got a high 21% short interest. That tells you folks are really shorting this stock here. And look at the float. It's for a Tesla's market cap here. Float is really very low here, just 865 million shares. That's why I think Tesla can go higher. Look, in 1 year, Tesla has done well despite of market pullback here, 23% higher. In a 2-year basis, it's done even much higher. So that's one of the reasons I love Tesla. As you look through a few more details here in Tesla, look, it's done very well on a 10-year basis. You can't go wrong here. Look, 2-year, 10-year, 5-year, it's done great here, did very well. It's down 31% from 52-week high, and nice operating cash flow, no issues, and nice free cash flow. Look at the free cash flow here, nice free cash flow here. And as you scan through, Tesla has been doing great. Off late, look at the SMA here. From a simple moving average perspective, it's down from current prices below its 5-day SMA and 10-day SMA and so on and so forth. But it's above its 30, 50, 100-day SMA. Look, Tesla is one of my favorite stock here. So if you have to trade Tesla, you might wonder, hey, how should I trade Tesla? Look, from a IV rank perspective, it's 35. That tells you it's a time to be a little more bullish on Tesla at these levels. And look, RSI is middle of the road, 51 here. So one of my favorite plays, to buy call options on Tesla. So let me take you to my call option spreadsheet here. So as you look through here, I got Tesla already filtered out here. And we got here volume, nice and high stock volume here. This is on a underlying stock volume here, 57,000. It's constant, as you can see here. And look, we got a day to expiration, 30 days, 35 days out. These are all call options. And look, IV rank is 35, nice and high. And strike price, current stock price is 288. and keep watching the open interest here. I like when the open interest is high. Look on the call here. So if you're a call options trader, if you want to trade when the stock price is 288, if you want to buy a 300 strike price, you could, but I'm not. I typically don't do that. I like to buy call option below the current stock price. That way I got a fair chance of not losing money, instead making money. That's one of my favorite play here. That's why I would not buy call option, even though there is a nice and healthy open interest here. Instead, I would be looking at buying call option below the current stock price. Look, we got one more here, nice and high open interest right here. Look at this one right here, nice and high open interest here. And as we scan through this one here, we got strike price right here, 333. Again, look, it's higher than the current price here. I typically like to buy when the strike price is below here, and keep watching here. We got 286, 288. These are at the money here, almost at the money. You could look at buying these also at the money. Typically is not too bad here. You could look at buying some of those here, especially 286 here. Could be a good one. Open interest is nice and high. Look, open interest is 1584 here. Not too bad. You could look at this one here. Look, bid ask spread is not too much here. It's just 1.25. So at the high level here, you could look at this one right here, and this could be a good one, given not this one right here, this one here. This could be a good one. You could buy this call option here, expiring in 56 days. You could go after such that one here, and keep watching here. We got one more here, 250 right here. Tesla 250, current stock price is 288, and look, there is a open interest is very high, as you can see here, 8,000. You could buy this one also. Look here, paying about $51, not too bad. You could do this one also here. And as you scan through here, you got a few more here. Keep watching the strike price here. I like to buy when below the current stock price here. You got 290, almost at the money here. You could look at this one also here, and this one also has got open interest, not too high. I would probably skip this one here and go after the one with little higher open interest here. So we got 300 here. This has got nice and high open interest. You could look at this one also here. Typically, I like to buy, when the strike below the stock price here. So that's about the call options. You get the idea. Always look at the open interest, and make sure you go after nice and high open interest, and also nice and high volume. And next, I love Tesla because you can make a lot of money trading put options here. Look, Tesla here, 288 is the price, and keep watching the strike price here, 233. Look, this one has got 56 days out, 56 days to expiration here. And look, you can make some nice money here. Ask is 775, bid is 7.5, bid ask spread is not too much here. And look, nice and high open interest. You could really sell this put option here. These are all put option. You could make some good money here by trading Tesla. As you see here, keep watching the open interest here. You got open interest right here. Anytime you see open interest nice and high, say about 1,000 or so, then you could go after those ones here. Look, this one has got days to expiration is very low here, 28 days out. And you could look at this one also here. You're making nice money. As I look through this here, 288, and strike price is let's see here, strike price on this one here, strike price is 245, much below the current stock price. You could make some good money here. Look, bid is you're making around $100 here, not too bad. That's how I like to trade Tesla here. Look for nice and juicy open interest here, and look, we got a few more here, nice and high open interest here. You could make some good money trading Tesla this way here. Look, this one here, we got strike price 220 and stock price is 288. That's much below current stock price here. And look, this one is 56 days to expiration. Nice money. You can make around, look, you can make around $500 here. Trading this one here, 5.65, 5.4. Bid that ask spread is very low. So that's how I like to trade Tesla here. You could buy call, sell put. You could also do spreads. Either way, you will make some good money here. Let's go back here and look at a few more. Look, Amazon.com is one of my favorite place to trade options. And look, from an Amazon perspective here, look right now, look at the IV percentile here. From an IV percentile perspective, Amazon is pretty nice IV percentile, 57.8. And look at the open interest, nice and high open interest here. Volume is also high. So because there is a nice and high IV rank, I love to sell put options on Amazon.com here and make some good money. As I go into my put option here, and I could just filter this out here and say, I want to look at Amazon.com here, AMZN. All right, so we got Amazon.com here. Keep watching. We got days to expiration right here. The first one here, we got stock price at 130 right now. And look, we got strike price 110. This is one of my favorite ways, much below current stock price, as you can see here. And look, you can make about 1.9. That's about $190. That's not too bad here. It's a good way to play this game here. You could, when the stock price is 130, you could sell some put option at the strike price here. Let's see, strike price right here 110 and make some good money. And keep watching the open interest here. Look, we got one here with nice and high open interest here, 116. Look, we got Amazon right here. You could sell it here to right now strike price 130. And keep watching here 130, and strike price is this one, strike price is 145. I would not go there. I would rather look at lower below the current stock price and sell there. And we got a few more here. Look, we got right here one nice and a high open interest here. You could look at this one also, and you would make about 75 cents, not too bad, $74. So this is how I kind of look for options to trade and make some good money here. Look, some of these things I got a little bit lower money, mainly because days to expiration is 21 here. You're going way below the current stock price. I say stick somewhere here at 131 or even 120 or so. That's when you make some good money here. Look, we got 125 right here. You make about 1.84, which is $184. Not too bad. That's when I like to trade stocks and make some good money here. All right, so we could even sort this by, hey, I want to make sure I make some, more than $1 here. You can say more than $1, and it will filter out and remove the ones which are less money here. All right, so let's go back here. Look, we got a few more stocks to go here. We got Apple. Apple is absolutely one of my favorite stock here. Look, right now IV percentile for Apple is 43, middle of the road. When the IV percentile is 43, I typically do both. I sell put options, and I buy call options also. And sometimes, I also sell call option or a call spread at the top, so that way I make money both ways. And especially when the IV rank is middle of the road here, and RSI is also middle of the road, I also sell almost at the money type, in-out spreads. For example, Apple is 163. I might basically buy a call option at 160 and sell a call option at say 170. So that way, as Apple goes higher, I make money that way also. Stocks like Apple, it's always good to do a sell put option way below and sell a buy call option in out like 160, 170 like we're talking about here. and you could also sell a call option way higher and make some money that way here. And list goes on here. In a nutshell, I want to make sure you always look at open interest here, and make sure you trade when you trade options. Always go after nice and high open interest here. I know a lot of people, they don't look at the entire stock market. Instead, they just pick handful of them: Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and I know folks who look at Google also. And finally, they trade stocks like AMD and NVDA. Just 6 stocks here, or just 6 stocks. You could make a living, or actually you can make 7 to 8 figure income if you focus on just 8 stocks and trade options day in and day out. Especially these stocks here like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, and AMD and NVIDIA. These 7 stocks, they got so much open interest here. You could easily earn a living if you just focus on these. And look at the RSI, look at the IV rank. When the IV rank is high, make some money buying, selling some premium. You can sell a call option at the top. You can sell put option at the bottom below the current stock price. You could also sell in-out spread, buy in-out spread and make some good money that way. So in a nutshell, I want to make sure you feel comfortable. Don't worry about the market. Market will always go higher after dropping big time here. That's why you could make money in options. You don't need to risk too much money. You could make some great money in options. I know folks who do that just by trading these 7 stocks: Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Google, and AMD, NVIDIA. You could earn a living easily. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.